Hey everybody, it's DJ Bo. I know I look beautiful this morning. Thank you so much. Get ready for the big Atlantic City DJ Expo. We're leaving a little bit later on tonight, and I got out my camera, and there's a whole bunch of stuff on there that I just got to get off to, make sure that there's enough space for the Atlantic City trip for all the video that I'll be doing there. So, everybody's asked for more gig logs, more me talking, and just interaction instead of just, a whole bunch of montage kind of stuff. So this will be maybe a mixture of both. Enjoy. See you in Atlantic City. Hey, I know I haven't done a gig log in probably 6 months, maybe. I don't even know. But today we're doing a surprise 40th birthday party in Erie, and DJ Josh happens to be with us today. So he's really happy because he hasn't been in a gig log with me for a long time. A gig log in a long time, period. This is true. But he has a brand new camera, and he has made sure that he told me that it's 1080p. Alright.
I had a joke, I'm not going to go through with it.
Alright, so anyways, we've got karaoke tonight. It's a very small area to set up in, but got the kegs going over there, we've got wine, we got everybody out there, and DJ Josh right here, the microphone right there, and someone ready to sing right here.
Hi guys, DJ Josh here. I stole DJ Bo's phone. Normally guys do this to my camera, and it's fun to be on the other end of this.
That's what she said.
What are we doing? What are we mixing? We scratching?
Oh my gosh, yeah, we're scratching like crazy here. Look at this Serato. Oh, is that Serato?
Hey, I taught DJ Bo how to do the logo thing today. People always ask me, how do you do the logo? It's my dirty secret. It's hard to do, I know. Let's see. Not a crazy party, but it's
Oh no, dude. It is crazy. Don't let them fool you. It's crazy.
It's fun. I like it. What I like about private parties, you can be mellow and everyone's really happy. You don't got to be out there doing things.
Yeah, but
that doesn't make sense.
When you hit 40, everything's mellow, so it doesn't matter.
All right. Get some more. I'll let you have your camera back.
Yeah, hey. How often do we get fireworks at our gigs?
In Pennsylvania, never.
It must pay off to be 40.
Gosh, you may kiss your bride.
Chris. I'm supposed to tell you that. Alright, so Chris, how well do you know Sam? I don't know her. You don't know her at all? No. Is he telling the truth? This is going to be good. Alright. So Chris says he doesn't know Sam, so at least, say hi to each other. Alright, shake hands maybe, I don't know. Alright, Dad's watching right here. I'm going to stand right here so Dad can't see. And, alright, here we go. Good music. Chris, go ahead and put that garter on there, and take your time. He's going to catch you. 1, 2, and 3. Go! Very nice.
Yep, we did them. I give you a kiss. You will be reminded of the time of
If it goes on